Welcome to Croda Iberica S.A., the Spanish manufacturing site of Croda International. At this manufacturing site, we produce the titanium dioxide powders that form part of our Solaveil range of mineral UV filters. The product manufactured at our plant has been FDA inspected. In the following tour, we will explain clearly and succinctly the operation of our facilities in the processes of titanium dioxide crystallization, crystal growth, coating and finishing, with the intention of improving your knowledge of our Solaveil range of products, as well as providing an insight into our work. In relation with the 2050 Croda environmental objective, aligned with United Nations Sustainable Development Goals to achieve net zero emission, we are committed as much as possible to reducing the environmental impact that this manufacturing procedure may have. In this regard, we are proud to say that 100% of the electrical supply of our facilities comes from renewable sources. Moreover, we are working to reduce and reuse the amount of water used for washing the titanium dioxide powder. Finally, when it comes to innovation, there is a challenging project that is looking to simplify the manufacturing procedure by obtaining the desired primary particle size directly in the crystallizer, avoiding the crystal growth step. Step 1. Crystallization. Crystallization is carried out in these two reactors. Both reactors are glass-lined, equipped with pH probes and heated with thermal oil to obtain an excellent temperature control inside the reactors. Crystallization is a key stage of the process in which the small titanium dioxide aggregates are formed. Step 2. Crystal growth. Now we come to the most critical stage of the process. In this stage, we manage to precisely monitor the crystal growth, thanks to the control of critical parameters, such as temperature and time. This growth control is crucial, as it is the size of the titanium dioxide aggregates that determines the absorbance of the solar filter in the ultraviolet visible spectrum. Step 3. Coating. From here, the powder is sent to the coating vessel. This step is designed to reduce the photoactivity and to provide the titanium dioxide with good dispersibility properties in oil or aqueous formulations. Inorganic coatings are often used to reduce the photoactivity, whereas organic coatings are used to increase the dispersibility in oil-based formulations. Step 4. Finishing. After coating, the final material is washed and filtered in the filter press, and the soluble salts generated during the reactions are removed. Finally, the product is dried with a spray dryer, sieved to remove the larger agglomerates, and packed in sacks of 25 kilos. As we can see, this is a fully automated sack packing machine. The product fills the bag, settles, and it is heat sealed and sewn to ensure a good seal. We are very proud that our Solaveil range of products is helping us to achieve our hero target. That is, by 2030, we will protect at least 60 million people annually from potentially developing skin cancer from harmful UV rays. We hope that you have enjoyed this virtual tour and that it has helped to facilitate the understanding of our work. Thank you for your confidence in us.